Welcome back to another episode of Building Say Go. It's nice to see you back, friends. We truly appreciate you taking some of your precious time every week to watch our silly little videos. Anyways, this week's a little different. Last week we were butchering some wood. This week we're going to butcher some more wood. And this is a small project, but it's just one of those little nitty-gritty things I needed to get done and out of the way and ready to go on the boat next year. So if you're new here, my name is Rick, and with my lovely wife Lori, we're building a 31.5 foot diesel trawler in our backyard. This has been an ongoing project. This is year 13. It's the middle of November and there's no snow on the ground, which is quite amazing. So I'm taking advantage of that nicer weather to get some of these woodworking projects out of the way so we can hopefully get through the winter with more things to go on the boat and get it ready to hopefully go in the water. So sit back, this is not a long video, and enjoy the show. Cheers. I'm working with some of my lower grade white oak. This material has some imperfections and knots and stuff like that, so it's not really suitable for steam bending. But I've surfaced it down to a thickness that I can work with, and a clean surface, straight edges, etc. It's not going to be obvious what I'm making this week unless you stick around a little longer, so sit back and enjoy. There's a few funny bits here. Things sort of go awry, and yeah, table saw safety. Not really a priority around here. As you can tell by now, we're making a whole bunch of little things. There's 24 of them to be exact, and it's a lot of repetitive work. I didn't really have a clear idea of what I was going to do until I did it, and that's how a lot of my projects sort of work. I make that stuff up as I go along. Some of you that follow us on our Facebook page, and the link will be in the description, already know what I'm making here. But I'm carving a bevel into these pieces, and I considered doing it on the table saw, but you see my table saw work, and this is certainly a lot safer using the oscillating belt sander. I had to do this 24 times, and I'm only going to show it to you once. I'm not going to subject you to an hour of me sanding little tiny blocks of wood, so you're welcome. So this might start to make a bit more sense now. These are the brackets that will hold the solar panels on, and I want to stand them off the cabin top a little bit for airflow, keep them cool. Stuff won't get accumulated underneath them, and it's going to be just a lot easier to keep clean, etc., etc., etc. So there's 24 of them. Some of the photos that I posted on Facebook this past week are at the end of this video, so have a look. Let us know what you think. So we're going to leave this video here, folks, for this week. I know it was short. It's just one little project, but I get done what I can while the weather permits, and it's been pretty great. We've had a good fall so far. So from Lori and I, we'd like to thank you again for looking in on us and following along in our project, and we appreciate each and every one of you that come each week to view our videos. So until next time, I hope you're all well, happy, safe. Cheers.